Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today is the last day in Pucon, and in the morning we went to the hydro speed adventure, and now in the afternoon we're gonna see Ojos de Caburgua waterfall. So we took a bus here from Pucon for only $1, and now we have to walk a little bit to the entrance. So here we have to pay at the gate 1,500 Chilean pesos, which is like $2.50 or €2. But the bad thing about this is we couldn't swim there. So I was really disappointed because I wanted to swim in the waterfall. And if you want to go to toilet inside, you have to pay more money. So once you enter the area, which by the way is all surrounded with the barbed wire fences, you can choose to go either to the waterfall or you can go to the lagoons, which you're gonna go later. So we're not really impressed when we saw the waterfall. It was nothing special, and there are people all the time taking selfies, so you have to be really quick when taking pictures. So I was very disappointed by this waterfall. You couldn't swim here because of nature protection, even though they're polluting the water with animal agriculture, and it was nothing special. There was also the other side, but you couldn't go there. So you're not gonna miss on anything if you skip this waterfall. You're gonna save your time as well. So even though it said no swimming is allowed, I gave it a go and went to the water anyway, because stupid rules like that have to be broken, and there is no reason why they should not allow people to swim here. They're polluting the nature with animal agriculture, feces from animals all the time, so there is no reason for that. But the water was pretty cold, and I saw some guy before swimming here, and the rocks are really slippery as well. One woman actually fell down. And here we got to the lagoon, which again was nothing special. You couldn't swim here, you could only take pictures from up here. And I think that's one of the reasons why they prohibited people from swimming here, because they were kind of destroying the pictures of people who wanted to take selfies. So here we are trying to cross this river to see the waterfall from the other side, but as I said, the rocks are extremely slippery, and unfortunately Sanya is gonna fall down and get all wet, which will be at the end of this trip. So check it out. I'm gonna fall down. Oh! Be careful, it's slippery. You can rest over here on this rock. Nice. So I crossed to the other side, but Sanya didn't want to go more because she was all wet, so we had to return and we decided to go to the Caburgua lake. So we took a bus from the main road from Ojos de Caburgua, and it was pretty easy. The buses were going each 15 minutes, and when we got here I was not really impressed with the lake. The Villarica lake was much better, and this was kind of dried out, but I went for the swim anyway. So Sanya felt really uncomfortable in her wet shirts, but I had some spare dried ones, so I gave her mine, but they're kind of big for her. And then I went to swim for about 20 minutes, some butterfly and freestyle, and it was a pretty good lake for swimming, not many waves. Alright, we are back in Pucon and we are pretty tired. We did so much today: hydro speed, waterfalls and the lake. And today is our last evening before traveling to Valdivia tomorrow. So what are my thoughts on Pucon? It's a great place for adventure activities. There's so many travel agencies, something like Baños in Ecuador, only more expensive because it's Chilean standard. And things I didn't like is of course the barbed wire fence, private property mentality here. So there's not many hikes or running routes that you can do here. Everything is surrounded with barbed wire fence, and the only hikes that you can do you have to pay for, and you have to take a bus there. But nevertheless, it's a better place than others in Chile. Hey guys, we're going back from the adventures in Pucon. This is the last day, and tomorrow we're leaving to Valdivia, which is a town to see sea lions, and we're gonna stay there for about a week.
3 days.
Well, we wanna stay longer, right? Alright, so thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more adventures from Chile, Valdivia, and for now, stay healthy and stay adventurous.